Today we are unboxing a super hard cutting material ceramics. In the ceramic industry, precision cutting is key to high-quality products. Today, we introduce a revolutionary tool, the Diamond Wire Loop System. The Diamond Wire Loop System is designed for the ceramic industry, efficient, precise, and damage-free, perfect for cutting complex shapes. Whether it's ceramic art, industrial parts, or precision components, the Diamond Wire Loop System handles it all with ease. In just a few minutes, the device is ready to cut. Watch as the diamond wire effortlessly cuts through ultra-hard ceramic. This is the diamond loop equipment, precise and efficient. The diamond wire cuts through ultra-hard ceramic effortlessly. Cut complete. Look at this flawless, smooth surface. Whether it's industrial cutting or precision work, the Diamond Wire Loop System handles it all with ease. Choose Diamond Wire Cutting is to choose efficient, precise, and environmentally friendly cutting solutions.